There is a legend that Angelica got its name because a monk had a dream one night in which an angel told him that this plant would cure the plague. That's something that I think we all wish were true, especially in 2020. Still, this is a truly lovely plant with flowers that grow in little clusters called umbels, and those clusters in turn forming larger clusters called umbels, which you'll remember is a characteristic of the Apiaceae family, like Gray's lovage and Sitka valerian. This is a tall plant, definitely the largest and most imposing of our MeadoWatch species. Some of them get so tall that they can actually tower over your head, especially if you're a short person like me. It has large, compound, divided leaves that have obviously toothed margins, which is where the sharptooth part of its name comes from. As the leaves are developing, before they open up, they will sheathe or hug the stem, and the leaflets at the top of the stem will unfurl first. That's what's being shown in the bottom left of the illustration here. On Sharptooth Angelica, the umbels develop from the outside in. So in the top photograph here, for example, the clusters or umbellets towards the center are still budding, with each bud a single tiny little nub that's still closed tightly. And the clusters or umbellets toward the outside have opened up and are in the flowering phase. You'll be able to see the anthers, the pollen-bearing parts, sticking out like little hairs from the petals when they're flowering. The fruits are a yellow-green in color and quite fleshy, looking quite a lot like anise or fennel seeds if you're familiar with those. Just like most of our other species, as the fruit matures, it will become brown and dry, and when the plant has reached the seed dispersal stage, it will look like each seed has been pinched to give it a tiny little wing. And after the seeds have dispersed, all that's left behind is a white lacy structure.